Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner. How you doing, guys? Hello. So, we received one pack from Aliexpress. I'll open it and we can talk about it. What came, what I bought and wasn't so good on Aliexpress, and then as well, if there's something new which I haven't shown, I will tell you about as well. I was ordering everything with 15 days delivery, so I'm quite curious what's there. Be right back. Okay, so I cut open all of them. And we can see, because I really have no idea with some of them what came. Some of them I know what came. It's a lot of orders because I'm doing those inverters. I'm buying pen drives now and hard drives to stock because I need them in my stock. So somebody have packed it well. What it is? Oh, I think that's the radiator. We can cut it open. So that's for the inverter project. I'd say so. That. Yes, that's the aluminum radiator. I bought one just in case because I could use from existing projects which I have or devices, but I wanted to have one per the design of what it was on the video which I've watched on Electronics, because he was pointing to this radiator, so I said, oh, we will have a video, guys. We will have a video. This is either an oscilloscope. I think it's oscilloscope. So yeah, so you know what will be? It will be an oscilloscope video. I thought I bought the one for a DIY and I see that it's assembled. Oh well, no soldering for me then. It's a single channel oscilloscope, so I'm gonna make a video about it. And there's some, literally I wanted to solder. So we will go through it on the video about the oscilloscope, because I'm quite curious, you know, if you watch those videos what I'm doing about opening AliExpress delivery, you can know more what will be shown on the YouTube channel here. Okay, those are, I don't remember how many Henrys, but those coils are for the inverter as well, so that's a good thing. Those are charging ports from my regular supplier of charging ports. You see, most of the people don't like to replace the port, they like to replace the cable. Now, when you replace the flex cable, it's fine, yes, but you charge less for the labor, you charge more for the flex cable, and if it's like a £5, let's say, it's okay. But if you pay about £15 for the charging board or for the flex cable over £10, then you don't make those money. Whereas if you're replacing only the port, you can charge more for the labor. So, you know, it's like, and plus you waste less as well, yes? About waste, how many I've got over there, plastic and this. And these are stabilizers, these are LMs. Two of them should come. Yeah, LM07809. These ones are. Oh, these ones are shunt resistors. I didn't have them here. I only seen them in one of the inverters, so I said I'll buy them, because I don't make one inverter, I'll make at least two to start with, and probably more as well. So yeah. Okay, so that's, I think, signal generator. Yes, that's signal generator. That's a DIY one, at least one. Aye. Yes, so a bit of that. I'll make a video about it, how to solder it together. But first we need to do the oscilloscope video, so then we can use signal generator to display on the oscilloscope. So that will be done for sure as well. So guys, you see those videos will be done. And okay, that's the Cygnus, I think 15 volts LM. Yes, that's L7815. That's a CV version. So I've got most, if not all, the components for the inverter right now, because I've got old inverters which I wanted to use spares from as well. Yeah, so I'll need to make one video about where we are with the inverter, second video about the oscilloscope, third video about the signal generator. So those 3 videos will be for sure. I'm finishing PS5 now. I just replaced the HDMI encoder in it. Yes, so I need to finish that off, this job, because I started, and I'm waiting on the second came, so I need to do second PS5 as well for the same thing. A lot of work. Yes. I don't know what I bought, and it was really rubbish. Okay, so I bought those small pen drives, those tiny pen drives on Aliexpress. They were in a choice, like a choice as a feature on Aliexpress, and those went for like £1.68 or something, excluding VAT. So for me, for backups, it's fine. When I'm doing, like recovering data from a customer, from customer's laptop, I can copy the data and it will be line. It's just the backup for the customer. It's fine. I can sell it for £5 or for £7, depending on the capacitance. No problem. But, or if you want to use it as a U-disk, that means you want to use it as a memory for the MP3s, so you will stack MP3s and play them in your car or wherever. That's fine, no problem. But if you plan to quite often put down the data on it and read from it, don't buy these drives. Don't buy these USB pen drives, because these are USB 2 and these are really slow drives. Yes, and I really mean it. I don't mind to put, let's say, 5 gigabytes of music, copy, wait, no problem. But when we're talking that you need to copy every so often, you will say sorry. So don't buy those cheap pen drives. Buy something which has a USB 3.2 or USB 3.0. And the speed, you can Google what's the speed for that, so don't do this mistake. I know why I'm buying these slower ones, and I'm fine. I didn't test these cards, so I don't know how quick these ones are. Again, it's only for the music, it's not for the video. So if I would have a camera and for the video, then yes, okay, I would maybe not consider these. But for music, it's fine. Yes. For backups, if you're doing backups and it will be lying somewhere on the shelf instead of whole heavy hard drive, then it's fine as well. Yes, that's not a problem. But what else I bought and it was rubbish? The bottle pump. So you turn on the top of the bottle. Yes, and you've got a pump, you pump it up and spray it. That's working, but that doesn't fit all of the bottles, so just keep it in mind. It won't work with many bottles. From electronics, for now, I don't remember if this year I bought something which I've shown on YouTube which wasn't working. I didn't check those with power supplies, because there weren't many. It's only the inverter. But come on, this is a pure sine, but it's not, doesn't have any protections, so we will talk about it more. So this doesn't count. Apart from that, I think all is working, literally. Like, I don't recall a single item that didn't. I've got positive experience with AliExpress in general. That's why I keep on buying, because every few months I'm running low on the pen drives. Then I need to buy those pen drives. Every so often I'm running low on those cards. Then I'm buying several of them. I'm selling them to customers with Nintendo Switches, yes? Then I'm running low on SSDs, yes? I'm selling them to customers with game consoles, laptops, computers, and Apple products, yes? So I've got, you know, sometimes, but only few times per year for CCTV systems. It's not many, to be true. So those clients I have, and I need to always have some hard drives for, yes? So SSDs are perfect at the moment with the price, everything, no problem. What else I can tell you? I think that's it. That's pretty much it. So whatever you've seen that I bought, I have completely no regrets, yes, whatsoever. And I'll be keep on buying those things on my day-to-day basis. I'm happy with the tools I bought to repair devices. These are really cheap comparing to me buying the same tools for the repair and spending a lot of money. I wouldn't, guys. I wouldn't. Maybe I would like to have the microscope, which is on the extended arm, yes, this one. So I look here, and plus I've got a, let's say, screen on top of that, yes? But I still work with this one and I'm happy. So maybe if I would buy second microscope for the second table, maybe I would consider that one. I've seen the cheapest one for about arm for about £200, and then you need to of course add the rest for it, but that was just attachable arm to your table, and you need to buy the scope, probably some lenses as well, adapters and so on. What else? Yeah, so my microscope was my, I think, first purchase on AliExpress, to be true, way back. And only hot air station was bought now on eBay. Yeah, on eBay. Guys, I can say that literally for me, purchases for the repair shop on AliExpress were okay. Only I think 1 or 2 items came dodgy or didn't come at all, like completely didn't come. Apart from that, it's a good experience with AliExpress. So yeah, customers don't want to buy on AliExpress, and I get that. Not many people want to look for a genuine seller, and many of the sellers, like most, have dodgy comments. So sometimes you might have a bad experience, but from my point of view, I get enough winners to cover the loss of those few, you know, not good ones. Yes, and of course, if you go and buy 18650 batteries and you expect them to be 9,000 milliamp hours or over 10,000 or even 5,000, not 2 to 3,000 milliamp hours or even 1, then expect to get what you pay for, because 2 to 3,000 I can believe in it. For 5,000, especially if the price is really cheap, no way. So you need to know what you're buying, and if you bought it and you've done something bad, that's on you. As well, the same as if you click on the picture, you pick the product, so it's different than at other marketplaces like eBay, for instance. So you need to look at the picture, which one you're picking, because if you don't look properly on the picture, and then it shows you which picture is which product. So just that, watch out those two things to be true, and you're good on AliExpress. Yes, so that's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you hope you see what will be in the next videos, and if possible, please leave a like button. See you in the next one. Bye bye.